Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a digital signature in PDF with mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure that you have this application downloaded on your mobile, that is Adobe Acrobat Reader. So once it's downloaded, simply open it and then you're gonna click on File and select the file on which you wish to add the digital signature. So if you have that file on your iPhone, so you're gonna click on iPhone Files. If you're using Android, you can simply click on Files and then select the PDF that you wish to sign. For example, I'm going to go with this file, and once it's opened, you're going to click on Fill and Sign here at the bottom. After that, you're going to click on this pen icon over here, and then you're going to click on Add a Signature. Here, you can either draw your signature, upload any image, or take picture of the signature. So I'm going to draw it over here like this, and then click on Done over here at the top right. Once done, you can see that it says tap anywhere to place signature. So I'm going to go to the bottom and then tap over here. And now you can see that that signature has been added. After that, you're going to click on the share icon and share this PDF to whoever you want. So that is how you can add digital signature in PDF with mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.